this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about my beautiful Chardin eco-friendly multicolored placemats. I got these a couple years ago and I love them. I would love for you to see how the material looks close up. They're all handmade, which is beautiful. You're not going to find one that is exactly identical. You're going to see how thick it is and how big they are. Now, if I put these two side by side, you're gonna see they're completely unique. They bring a lot of color to your table. They make it look very cheerful, beautiful. They're very easy to clean. You don't wash them in the washer. You just spot clean them, which makes it very convenient. They're pretty big, as well as you can see, so it'll protect your table and it'll give it the perfect touch. I love them and I know you're gonna love them too, and that's just my point of view.